Hi everyone, now we will discuss our remaining part of video about free radicals, that how free radical cause damage to cell and cause aging, and what are antioxidants. Study what are the negative effects or damage of free radicals. When free radicals are produced, they start damage to fatty tissues, DNA, and proteins that are present in our body. As we know that proteins, lipids, and DNA make a large part of our body, damage occur to them, then that leads to a vast number of diseases that are about diabetes, atherosclerosis, inflammatory conditions, high blood pressure, heart diseases, and cancer. Now we will study that what is the aging and how free radical cause aging. As the body ages, it loses its ability to fight the effects of free radicals. As a result, there is more free radical formation, there is more oxidative stress, and there is more damage to cells, which leads to a degenerative process that we normally called aging. It means that if there is an increase free radical formation, then the body cells damage and it leads to aging process. Now we will study that how free radical cause aging and how reactive oxygen species play a role in aging process. As we know that in oxidative stress process, reactive oxygen species form oxygen-free radicals. These oxygen-free radicals play an important role in aging process. We know that mitochondria are the tiny organelles and we call it a powerhouse of cell. Oxygen is required for the energy production in mitochondria. Researchers say that free radical that is produced in the mitochondria damage the substances that cell needs to work properly. This damage in mitochondrial membrane causes mutations that leads to production of more free radicals. Production of more free radicals cause more oxidative stress and more damage to cell. In this way, cell damage and unable to perform their function, which leads to breakdown of cell, and breakdown of cell leads to the process of aging. In this flowchart, as we say that mitochondria is the powerhouse of cell. When there is an increased production of free radicals in mitochondria, it leads to damage in genetic materials and other molecules like lipids and proteins. Damage to these genetic material lead to the destruction of cells and destruction of mitochondrial membrane, which leads to decrease in energy production. When there is decrease in energy production, then we are unable to perform our work and we are unable to perform our daily life activities, which leads to the process that we call aging. Now we will see that what are the antioxidants. Antioxidants are the molecules that prevent the oxidation of other molecules. These are the chemicals that lessen or prevent the effect of free radical. How antioxidants will act? They donate their electron to the free radicals, thereby reducing their reactivity. When antioxidants provide their electron to free radical, then free radical become paired and their reactivity will be decreases. That's why antioxidant is important to stop the free radical formation. Why we say that antioxidant is unique? Its reason is that they can donate an electron without becoming reactive free radicals themselves. It means that when antioxidants provide their electrons to a free radical, then antioxidant itself not form a reactive species. Rather, they act as a stable molecule. Thus, due to antioxidant, free radicals are not formed and there is no damage to the cell, and the process of aging slow down. Now, what are the sources of antioxidant? From where we found antioxidant? Different vitamins like vitamin C and E, glutathione, beta carotene. The plant estrogen that we usually call phytoestrogens are among the many oxidants that may cancel out the effect of free radicals. From many foods, we are also obtain antioxidants like in berries, citrus fruits, and many other fruits are rich in vitamin C. In carrots, there are high amount of beta carotene that are important antioxidant. The soya that is found in soybeans and some meat substitutions that are found in phytoestrogens are the important antioxidants that help the free radical to combine and become paired so that they cannot damage the cells and not destroy the function of body cells. So here is all about what are the free radicals, how they damage the cells, what are the oxidative stress, and what are antioxidants. Hope you like my videos. Thanks.